Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.